In 2026, the agentic revolution has a shadow. For every autonomous micro-multinational launched, and for every trillion-dollar frontier engineered by AI, there is a physical cost. We've solved the intelligence problem, we've mastered the software, but now we've hit the invisible wall, energy density. Today, we're decoding the next great trade war. It isn't over chips or data, it's over the electrons that fuel them. Welcome to Capital Chronicles. For decades, the global energy grid was built for a predictable world. Factories ran by day, cities lit up by night. But AI agents don't sleep. In 2026, the baseload demand has shifted. A single high-level agentic reasoning cycle consumes more energy than 1,000 standard search queries. As millions of agents begin running 24/7 supply chains and financial markets, the demand on our aging infrastructure has reached a breaking point. This isn't just a crisis, it's a market opportunity. We are seeing the rise of private power. Tech giants bypass the public grid to build their own modular nuclear reactors and geothermal clusters. In this new economy, the most successful founders aren't just software architects, they are energy arbitrageurs. They are positioning their intelligence hubs, not where the customers are, but where the energy is cheapest and most stable. We are seeing a northern migration as data centers move toward the geothermal vents of Iceland and the hydroelectric dams of Canada. The cost of an AI agent's salary is now directly pegged to the price of a kilowatt-hour. Efficiency is no longer a green initiative. But the solution isn't just bigger power plants, it's smarter ones. In 2026, we are seeing the decentralized grid. Using the same agentic AI that caused the demand, we are now optimizing energy distribution in real time. Edge intelligence allows small businesses to harvest wasted heat and solar overflow, selling it back to the network. The agentic economy is learning to breathe. It's becoming a closed-loop system where intelligence manages its own footprint. The story of 2026 is the story of silicon meeting steel. We are witnessing a massive reinvestment in the physical world to support our digital ambitions. The intelligence boom didn't kill the industrial age. It reinvented it. We are building a world that is more powerful, more efficient, and more resilient than anything that came before. To understand the forces powering our future, you're in the right place. Subscribe to Capital Chronicles as we track the giants of 2026. Thanks for watching.